Have you ever felt swallowed by your own emotions? You lash out at someone, regret it immediately. Or stress hijacks your entire day, and you just can't think straight. What if you could learn to understand and manage your feelings, so they work for you, not against you? In this video, I'll share 7 science-backed strategies to boost your emotional intelligence and transform how you relate to yourself and others. Meet Ria, a project lead known for her sharp mind, yet she often feels stuck in emotional reactions. Feedback wounds her, she responds defensively, then struggles to connect with her team, until she realized emotional intelligence, EI, is a skill you can train, just like strengthening muscles at the gym. Step 1. Self-awareness journaling, why it works. Putting your emotions into words shifts brain activity from the reactive amygdala to the rational prefrontal cortex. Labeling feelings reduces their unconscious grip. How to do it? Every evening, carve out 5 minutes. Use a simple notebook or your phone's notes app. What to do? Write the date and time. Jot down 3 emotions you felt today. For example, frustration, joy, anxiety. Next to each, briefly note why you felt it. I felt anxious when I missed the deadline. Close the entry with a short reflection. Tomorrow, Step 2. Name the emotion, why it works. Verbalizing an emotion moves you from reactive mode into observation mode. This small pause gives you control instead of impulse. How to do it? When a strong feeling arises, anger, fear, or excitement, pause. What to do? Stop whatever you're doing. Take a slow breath in and out. Say out loud, I'm feeling emotion. Add a brief note of context. I'm feeling irritated because my meeting ran late. Step 3. Active listening drill. Why it works. Active listening engages mirror neurons, building empathy and strengthening social bonds. When people feel heard, you understand their emotions better. How to do it? In your next conversation, whether at work or home, practice listening more than you speak. What to do? Maintain eye contact and nod to show you're present. After they finish, paraphrase. What I hear you saying is... Then ask one open-ended question. How did that make you feel? Wait for their response without interrupting. Step 4. Empathy walk. Why it works. Stepping into someone else's world expands your emotional map, helping you understand diverse perspectives and reducing judgment. How to do it? Once a week, schedule a 15 to 20-minute empathy walk. What to do? Invite a friend, colleague, or neighbor from a different background. On your walk, ask them about their biggest challenges. Listen without offering advice. Focus on truly understanding. Reflect afterward on what surprised you most. Step 5. Mindful pause. Why it works. A brief pause activates your prefrontal cortex, allowing rational thought to catch up with emotional impulses and preventing impulsive reactions. How to do it? Before responding in any conflict, big or small, practice a 3-second pause. What to do? Notice the trigger, argument, harsh comment. Inhale slowly for 3 seconds, then exhale for 3 seconds. Only then speak your response, calmly and clearly. Step 6. Perspective-taking question. Why it works. Imagining how you'd comfort a friend shifts your brain from self-judgment to self-compassion and encourages balanced decision-making. How to do it? Whenever negative self-talk or regret strikes, pause and ask a question. What to do? Identify the thought. I messed up that presentation. Ask yourself, what advice would I give a friend in this situation? Listen internally and reframe. It's okay to make mistakes. Next time, I'll prepare differently. Step 7. Reflect and adjust. Why it works. Intentional reflection converts experience into learning. By reviewing emotional moments, you build lasting EI improvements. How to do it? Pick a fixed time each week. Sunday evening works well. For a 10-minute review. What to do? Recall one situation that challenged your emotions. Ask, what went well? Ask, what could I do differently? Note your action plan for next time. Emotional intelligence isn't fixed. It grows with daily practice. Master your emotions, and you'll master your life. If you found this helpful, comment, I choose EQ, like, share, and subscribe. New videos every Monday at 7:30 p.m. Thank you.